the last video we have discussed about the refrigeration. So in today's video we are going to see about the components of the refrigeration cycle. So in the last video what we have discussed about what is the basic of refrigeration. So in this video we are going to discuss about how this refrigeration takes place. Okay. So this refrigeration takes place by the help of a cycle, a refrigeration cycle. So the cycle is based on the Rankine cycle. Okay. The cycle is based on the Rankine cycle. So let us see, first let us discuss what are the components in the refrigeration cycle. Okay. So by seeing here, there are major components. What are the components is, first one is the evaporator. Second one is a compressor. And then third one is the condenser and fourth one is the expansion valve. Okay. These are the four major components in the refrigeration cycle. Now let us discuss what is the function of each component. Okay. So here this cycle is a closed cycle. Because the refrigerant once when it is sealed inside, it cannot come outside. Okay. Can you tell why this is a closed cycle? Can anyone tell me why this cycle is closed? There are open cycle and closed cycle. So this is closed cycle. Why this refrigerant is closed? Any idea? Because I will tell you. Because here, when the refrigerant, what is the property of refrigerant in the last class you have discussed? It evaporates at very low temperature. Okay, boiling. So here at room temperature, what happens is this refrigerant will evaporate from liquid state to gaseous state. Okay. So when this is exposed to atmospheric air or atmospheric heat, what happens is it gets evaporated. So that is why these pipes are sealed. Okay. So first coming to the evaporator. So evaporator is a place where the heat has to be taken away continuously. The heat from this particular place has to be taken away continuously. So this is evaporator. So we are placing our food materials or record materials in the evaporator. So from there continuously heat is taken away. Okay. So here heat is taken away. Coming to the compressor. Okay. So in compressor what happens is, this particular working fluid has to be circulated throughout the system. So this is made possible with the help of a compressor. Okay. And coming to the next one, what is the condenser? Any idea about condenser? What is the difference between here the air mark and here the air mark? What is the difference? Here heat is absorbed. Here heat is rejected outside. So in the condenser what happens is, heat is rejected to the atmosphere. So this is the process of condenser. Next one is the expansion valve. So the purpose of expansion valve is to reduce the pressure. So these are the four major components in the refrigeration cycle. So one is evaporator, another one is compressor, another is condenser, and then expansion valve. Okay, now very clear. So here evaporator and condenser and expansion valve, compressor. So these four are the major components in which the compressor is run by an external source. Okay. So what is the need for compressor? If there is no compressor, what happens? The fluid will not circulate throughout this cycle. Okay. So in this, as I told you, in these major components, in the evaporator, heat absorbed, heat rejected. Okay. Here in the compressor, work is done. Here the pressure is reduced. Okay. So in these major components, without this expansion valve also, this cycle can function. But the coefficient of performance will be lesser. Okay, so this is about the major components in the